folks. This is my weekly What's New. I think I did one last week. I'm doing another one anyway. What's new on my channel? I'm slowly figuring out the lathe, which is pretty cool. After all these years I've owned it. I'm going to be taking the front panel off to fix the button. That's one video I'll make. I did a few little knoblets and I did some more machining on these things. You'll see in the video what I did. What else? Of course, I could use thousands of dollars worth of tooling. I will be, finishing up if you've watched my videos, you'll see there's a kitchen bench that just kind of disappeared for a while, or it's still there. I forgot to order the parts. Those parts are getting ordered tomorrow. There's about 50 bucks worth of parts. There's enough parts to build that one and build the rest of these chairs. So that will go in the pipeline and disappear, and then the chairs will come right into the next pipeline. I also am planning on building a box for my... why do I always forget when I'm doing this? I'm building a box for my buffer, because I got a bunch of things I'm going to buff out. Because basically when you buff it just throws shit everywhere. And I realized after cleaning up the floor, I'm like, maybe I should make like a catch basin for this crap. So yeah, it'll just to catch all the shit. Whatever flies towards me is fine, but it was putting a lot of junk. So that's getting done. Once this handle's done in the Wilton vise, I'm gonna evaporust the whole vise. I'm probably going to spot weld with my MIG welder. Unlike people say, there's a little clump of cracked thing. It's not cracked, it's chipped. I'm just gonna... I've seen it done on YouTube. Apparently it works. I don't care if it doesn't work. I'll just heat it up with a rosebud and whatever, fix it. I'm gonna put another video. I will put the screw collar thing in there. I've got to get pins for the hell, man, the jaw. Put the jaw back in, put the screw thing back in, and then try to figure out how it goes back together. Cause it's been so long. I have all the parts. I don't know how it goes back together. But that's easy. I'll just go look online. So that's pretty much what's new. I got a lot of videos coming, and thanks to the person who threw the fan in the garbage. It's like 26 or 27 degrees out. Sweaty, but it keeps me nice and cool. So other than that, I hope you're enjoying the videos. I had 566 subscribers, then I had 563, then I had 565, then I had 564. So whoever's still here, number 560, whatever, 5 or 6 or 3 or 4, thank you all for subscribing. I know I posted a whole shitload of weird shorts. They're going to get the shorts are going to actually get hopefully a little better. Because I just been posting random stuff. But I still got a lot of... The thing I like about shorts is you can do all kinds of random stuff with it. It doesn't even have to be channel related. It just keeps people busy. So I'm going to be doing that. And if I ever stop scratching my eye on camera, I'll do that. That pulls in subscribers. If you like the channel, thanks for watching. If you like the channel and just subscribe because you want to help me out, thanks again. You can also, if you're watching this channel, you can just click subscribe and come back once in a while. That also helps. I never thought I'd get to 560 anything, let alone past 100 or maybe even 20. So again, all the people who think my channel's awesome or whatever, I talk too much, awesome. And it's been fun. You'll see, I'm trying to clean up my shop a little better. The behind me's still a shit show, but the floor's clean. I can walk back there now. I'm gonna try to clean the floor off here, try to get so I can actually walk around the bench. And next, this pile of crap is going to go. So there is just too much scrap metal in the way, and so I'm thinking of building a shelf out. It's just scrap steel. I'm thinking of just building a shelf outside and just throwing it on top. This way the person who takes it knows that it's actually good scrap metal. So yeah, thanks a lot. Stay tuned, and I'm always doing something on this channel, so it's not like I'm never doing anything. And from the looks of it, I could be doing this shit for the next 20 years with all the junk and stupid projects I got. So, thanks. Toodles.